everybody, this is Tracy Jennings. I am here for an open house. I am getting ready to roll out community videos, and I'm wanting to know what you love about your community. Here in Slater, Iowa, some of the things I love, the high-trestle trail that runs through town. I love their 4th of July fireworks and the community spirit that this place has. It's got a cute little downtown and a really awesome school district. So, Slater residents, give me a shout out. What do you love about your community? Thank you so much. Tracy Jennings with the Jennings Real Estate Team, wishing you a wonderful day.